Dear students, we need to find the first f inverse of a. How to find f inverse of a? I can say to you. How to find f inverse of a? Like y is equal to f of x. That implies f inverse of y is equal to x. We can use three boards for this question. That means first board I will explain only f inverse of y. Second board g circle f. Third board f circle g. Okay. Y is equal to, what is f of x value? 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Y is equal to, very important step, concentrate. 4x square I can write 2x whole square plus 12x I can write as 2 into 2x into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. After writing this step, I understand in my mind, this is A, this is 2AB form, correct? A square plus 2AB plus B square. B means what? This 15 I can write as 3 square plus 9. Yes, Amma, useful. 3 square plus 9. 15 I wrote as 3 square plus 9. Now you can see. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square plus, I wrote one small mistake, this is 6, not 9. 15 you write as 3 square 9 plus 6. So 15 I wrote as 9 plus 6. This complete term, underlying term, is the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a plus b whole square plus 6. 6 transfer to left hand side. Y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. Next step, square transfer left hand side. Root of y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3. 3 transfer left hand side. Root of y minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 2x. 2 transfer left hand side. X is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. What is meant by x? Therefore, f inverse of y is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. So which step we need to remember and which step generally you have confusion in this particular step, my dear students. 4x square I wrote 2x whole square. 12x I wrote as 2 into 2x into 3. 15 I wrote as 3 square plus 6. The complete underlying part, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square plus 6. 6 transfer left hand side minus 6. Square transfer left hand side root. 3 transfer left hand minus 3. 2 divided by. Then you will get the f inverse of y. Problem not completed. We need to find still g circle f. Next f circle g. First you write up to here. Like find, now we need to find g circle f of x is x. Before that you can write let g is inverse of f. That means g is equal to f inverse. G of y is root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. F of x is 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Now you can consider g circle f of x. How to write? G circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. That is equal to, what is g of x value? F of x value 4x square plus 12x plus 15. In place of f of x, I substituted 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Next step is very, very important. What is g of I? See g of I here. Root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. First I kept empty place. In that empty place, same like previous question, I can substitute 4x square plus 12x plus 15. It is looking like root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. In place of y, what I wrote in blue color, that is there. Now continue the problem. Root of 4x square plus 12x. 15 minus 6, how much? Plus 9 minus 3 by 2. Root of 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is nothing but 2x plus 3 whole square. Outside minus 3 by 2. Square root cancel. 2x plus 3 minus 3 by 2. 3 3 cancel. 2x by 2. 2 2 cancel. X. Therefore, G circle F is equal to Ix. So in this problem, what is the confusion step? First is this one. If you want to understand this step, you see G of y. What is G of y value? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. In place of y, this value. After that, 15 minus 6, 9. This fully is in the form of x plus b whole square, 2x plus 3 whole square. Square root cancel. 3 cancel, 2 cancel x. Understand? Then G circle F is Ix. Problem not completed. Still we need to find F circle G of y. Right up to here. Before we complete G circle F of x, now we are doing F circle G of y. I removed circle, I kept bracket. I wrote F of G of y. In place of G of y, substitute the value. Now what is F of x? 4x square plus 12x plus 15. In place of x, now you can substitute root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Understand? Now, very important step. Numerator 4 into, it is a minus b whole square formula, a square root of y minus 6 whole square plus b square 3 square minus 2ab, 2 3s are 6 root y minus 6 whole divided by 2 square 4 plus 2 in 12 6 times 6 inside multiply 6 root y minus 6 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 15. Dear students, 4 get cancelled. Square root to cancel. What is left? Y minus 6 plus 9 minus 6 root y minus 6 plus 6 root y minus 6 minus 18 plus 15 minus 3. Dishum. Y minus 6 plus 9 means plus 3 minus 3. Dishum. What is the answer? Y. Therefore, G circle F circle G of y is Iy. What is the last step we need to write? Therefore, G is inverse of F. Next, therefore F is invertible function. Understand? Any doubt is there, anyone? Understand? Same as 9th question, Akshita, correct? As it is same as 9th question, what we did previous question, same model. But previous question, they didn't give an F inverse of y. This question you can find F inverse of y. This step one more time you see. 4x square. This is x. In place of x, this term. 12x plus 15. After that, this is a. This is b. A minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Then terms cancel, you will get the answer. Understand? Very important 5 mark question. This question they didn't ask till now. Maybe hardly one time they asked. Very rarely they asked. If the question paper is tough, they will give this question. Understand? Right.